So hey the beats, I am Kashif and today I am going to tell you about the free vscode software which will run on your Android device easily, and you can also configure this application on your device with keyboard mouse. So guys, let's start the video without delay, and don't miss to say anything about that which content is not available on our YouTube channel. So guys, let's start. So firstly, you need to download the VPN and nvidia GeForce Now application. This application is currently not available in India, but you know that you are capable to run this application in India with the help of VPN. In my previous video, you can also see that how to configure the nvidia GeForce Now application to run in Android device.
Yeah, I'm feeling a little crazy. Sat at home being lazy. Wanna travel to the mighty, flying with you. Wanna take on the world and do something. Would you by my side like it's nothing? Wanna buy you think that you want it. Wanna find you, drop top without a choice, yeah. Hair blow around to the window, singing stupid noise with you. I just wanna get to know ya. I wanna go far to the coast, yeah. I wanna dive first to the ocean. I wanna know all of you. Growing up like a ghost, yeah. I wanna have kids of my own, yeah. And live a life till it's over. But until we do,
A few
it's
moments
sleeping
later.
too long. It's sleeping too long.
Now after all of that configuration, you need to open the Warframe game, which is required to log in with Steam ID and Epic Games ID. So you need to purchase it from there. So now I start this game.
It's sleeping too long.
All the websites and application needed to run this VS Code, link in description box. So go on and download it after watching this video.
We'll be driving down the state, yeah. Looking around for the next crowd, yeah. Going our own way, trying to find a new route, yeah. We'll be going in circles, trying to find a way, searching for the things we do, yeah. Drop top without a choice, yeah. Hair blown round to the window, singing stupid noise with you. I just wanna get to know ya. I wanna go far to the coast, yeah. I wanna drive fast to the ocean. I wanna know all of you. Growing old like a ghost, yeah. I wanna have kids of my own, yeah. Live a life
Now you
till
can see
it's
that
over.
I got VS Code online application
It's sleeping
where I can capable to make any high level and high weightage projects. And if you want to save this project, you need to log in with GitHub ID. So guys, if you like this video, then share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel and get it done.
Yeah, I'm feeling a little crazy. Sat at home being lazy. Wanna travel to the mighty, flying with you. Wanna take on the world and do something. Would you by my side like it's nothing? Wanna buy you think that you want it. Wanna find you, drop top without a choice, yeah. Hair blow around to the window, singing stupid noise with you. I just wanna get to know ya. I wanna go far to the coast, yeah. I wanna dive first to the ocean.